Want to turn your free time into cash?
Yes!
People are earning $45 or even more per order, creating these simple animated videos.
You know who is he?
And the best part is you don't even have to be an animator to create this. In the next few minutes, I'll show you real examples and exactly how you can do it too. Even from your phone or laptop. Let's go. First, let's see the real money-making opportunities. Here on Fiverr, you can find hundreds of sellers offering 2D explainer videos. Look at this one charging $350. So you know there is demand for this type of video, and there are only a handful of people who are doing it. So there is huge opportunity. I will break down this process into 3 parts. First is generating ideas, second will be editing, and third will be sound effects or voiceovers. Many of them are using After Effects, Premiere Pro, but don't worry, I will teach you how you can do it, Canva. First, let's generate our story. To generate our story, I will be using ChatGPT. Here you can give a simple prompt like this, then ChatGPT will give you detailed summary with scene by scene, which we will use in Canva to generate the story. Now here comes the fun part. Go to Canva homepage and create a new video project. Select format of your choice. In my case, I will select horizontal format. Now on the left side panel, click on Element and search for your desired items. Then go to Graphic tab. First, I will select background for my project. After adjusting the background, now let's bring our characters to our design. Here's the pro tip. Make sure you select the 3 dots and filter animated only. This way, you will only see moving objects which we will be using in our design. Let's see what we have for our first scene. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be exact. You can adjust the scenario as per available resources as well. Another element is time as per ChatGPT. Make sure you selected animated designs only. Let's add one more character for our scene 1.
Nice.
Moving on to second scene, which is more about branding. Add a new page. In this page, we will add the client's logo. If you don't have one, then you can go to Elements and search for relevant images like this.
Add text box and write the client name.
Now that our logo is ready, let's add some more details to animate it. To animate it, select all, then click on Animate option. From here, you can select animation according to your need. Moving on to scene 3, by now you must have understood some aspect of the editing process. At first, it will take some time, but don't worry, you will get hang of it. It's just about understanding the scene and dragging the elements to the design like this. And make some adjustment like this.
The main part of this kind of video is storytelling with its movements. Let's come to our another scene. Now it's all about just dragging the elements to your design. But you can also move the object from one side to other as well. To do that, click on Animate, then this B icon. Select movement style to smooth or steady. Now it's time for voiceover. Simply copy and paste the script to 11 Labs.
Too busy to spend enough time with your furry friend?
Download the audio file and bring back the file to Canva. You will find the File in Upload tab. Drag the file back to our design. Now all you need to do is adjust the timing of the audio.
Too busy to spend enough time with your furry friend? We get it. At Happy... Too busy to spend enough time with your furry friend? We get it. At Happy Heaven Paws, we offer complete care for your dog. While you're away, we're here to stay.
And after everything is edited, here is the final result.
Too busy to spend enough time with your furry friend? We get it. At Happy Heaven Paws, we offer complete care for your dog. While you're away, we're here to stay. Our dog daycare is the perfect place for fun, naps, and tail-wagging joy. Make your dog fresh by taking bath. And if your dog needs training, our certified pros use positive methods to teach great habits. With years of trusted care, clean facilities, and glowing reviews, your dog is in the best hands. Book your dog's happy place today.